To create super cute origami frogs from paper, all you need is a square sheet of paper and some attention to detail. Start by folding the paper to create an X crease and then form a triangle by pinching in the sides. Fold the top corners of the triangle upward, then shape the diamond in the middle by folding its corners inward and outward to create the frog's legs. Flip the paper, fold the bottom corners to create an upside-down kite shape, and then fold the back legs down. Finally, fold the frog in half. Adjust the legs and press down to make it jump. If you need to make a square from rectangular paper, simply trim or fold it accordingly. Enjoy making your jumping frogs.